Hello, Chikeli Beauty family. How are you all doing today? So, this is actually a requested video. Yeah, you want me to talk about Olaybact cream? Olaybact cream. Yeah. So, I will be telling you what Olaybact cream is. I will also tell you how to use Olaybact cream, the right way to use it. Let me put it this way: the right way to use it, and side effects. What will happen if you use it the wrong way? And most of you want to know if Olaybact cream is a skin bleaching cream, skin lightening cream. So I'll be covering all these topics in this video, okay? If this is your first time visiting my channel, if this is your first time, you're just scrolling by, and boom, you saw me and you like what you're watching, hit the subscribe button and subscribe, okay? My name is Chikeli. I'm a certified esthetician, so more like a cosmetologist. Yeah, certified cosmetologist. And I talk about skincare in this channel. I talk about how you can, the best way to look after your skin. I also do a lot of beauty product reviews like I'm doing in this video, and I more like show you and teach you how to look after your skin. Okay, so if you like what you're watching and you want to become part of this family, and also to know when I upload videos like this, okay, more like keep you up to date, so you hit the subscribe button and subscribe, and also the bell button. Yeah, the bell button keeps you up to date on whenever I upload videos, okay? Now, the least you can do for me in this video is to like it. So click the like button and like it. Liking this video will help my channel to grow, and will also help you and as well, because when my channel grows, I'll be able to make more and more videos like this, and you know, we will help, we will more like benefit each other. It's trade by barter. Thank you so much. And for my returning subscribers, mwah, you're so amazing. So let's get to the video. Olaybact cream. So Olaybact cream is actually manufactured in India, and it's an antifungal and an antibacterial cream. Okay, so Olaybact cream has 3 main ingredients. Okay, I'm going to be looking at my book because I don't want to bite my tongue. The first ingredient is clotrimazole. Clotrimazole is a steroid. Okay, and steroids are meant, most of these antifungal, antibacterial creams, they have steroids in them, and it's one of the ingredients that Olaybact cream has. And steroids usually help to more like treat allergies. So Olaybact cream treats allergies, skin allergies. We're talking about the likes of eczema, psoriasis, acute dermatitis, and if you have itching as a result of maybe inflammation, skin inflammation, or swelling or redness. These are all what you get, some of the issues that you get when you have allergy. Allergy can be as a result of maybe you consume something that's not good for your body, or maybe it's just It can be as a result of hormonal imbalance, or most times as well, when you purchase the wrong skincare product, you can develop allergies. Some people just have, just in their blood, they just get allergies once in a while. So this is what Olaybact cream is meant to do for you. So it's an antifungal cream meant to treat allergies, the ones I mentioned in this video. And to be honest with you, I would probably say to you, you should get it prescribed if you want to use it the right way. But if that's not an option for you, this is how you use Olaybact cream. Use it only on the affected area, okay? Because of the ingredients that it has, because of the clotrimazole, it has this ingredient called betamethasone, dipropionate is a steroid as well, and then neomycin sulfate. These are all very strong ingredients, and they are all they are all meant to treat fungi or bacterial infection. They are all meant to treat. They are anti-inflammatory ingredients. They are Olaybact cream is an anti-inflammatory cream. Now, my beautiful people, you will use Olaybact cream as prescribed on the pack, okay? And the reason is because Olaybact cream has very strong ingredient, the steroid, and steroid is not your friend, okay? Steroid is not your friend. So when you're using Olaybact cream, follow manufacturer's instruction and only use it on the affected area. It's not a body cream. Don't use it as a body cream. Only use it on the affected area. You know why I'm laughing? Because some people want to know if they can use it as a skin lightening cream, if it's for bleaching. Hell no. Hell no. It's not. Olaybact cream is not. It can lighten your skin, because most times when you have those allergies, you're scratching and all that. Most times, as we that are skin of color, when you talk about skin of color are skin that doesn't it doesn't tan, okay, but it gets pigmented very easily. Talking about black, brown skin, okay. Now, most times when you scratch too much, you can end up having black spots and all that. So you can actually use Olaybact cream to lighten that area where you have the black spots, okay? But it's not a body cream. Only use it on the affected area, and after that, once that particular issue is treated, you throw it away because it has steroid, okay? So to answer your questions, no, Olaybact cream is not for skin bleaching. Olaybact cream is not a body cream. It's an antifungal cream used to treat allergies. Okay. Next thing that you need to know about Olaybact cream is what exactly will happen to you if you misuse it, if you abuse it. Remember, it has steroids, so if you abuse it, you may end up having, how do I put it? You may end up having more irritation on your skin. You may end up getting like loads and loads of stretch marks, your skin drying out, you start developing premature aging signs, and also burn, because steroid cream, it can burn your skin. It can cause you more harm than good if you misuse it, okay? So stick to the manufacturer's instructions, treat the affected area, don't misuse it. Once you finish treating that area and you find out that it has, sort the problem out for you, you stop using it, okay? I hope I've covered everything that needs to be covered about Olaybact cream. And if you need me to review any more products, leave your comment below in the comment section, and also Don't forget to subscribe. Help me like this video and share it, okay? Thank you so much, my beautiful people. Remember, treat your skin right and your skin will treat you right. And please, no skin bleaching. It's not good. No skin bleaching. It's not worth it, okay? I love you so much and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah.